Atkinson, Brown Deer, Sussex, and St. Francis. People attending the Wisconsin State Fair. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Whitewater, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Richmond, and Lima Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.